How are you doing, friends? I'm Evi Siskos, and as usual, I'm here with today's rescue, brought to you by the attorneys at Liga de Justicia. This case is about a 49-year-old client. He was working at a construction site in Long Island, helping to build a new house. This client, in particular from Guatemala, was undocumented and was being paid off the books, as we say, under the table. During construction, a bit of cement gave way, causing our client to fall and injure his shoulder. He was immediately told by his employer that no one was responsible for the accident and that because he worked off the books and was undocumented, he had no right to monetary compensation and should not contact a lawyer. One day, he was watching the news and saw a commercial for the Justice League and decided to make that call to 1-800-355-1234. He came in for a consultation and was told that the fact that he was undocumented does not mean he doesn't have a case. Day laborers have the right to sue, even if they are undocumented and paid off the books. The Justice League attorneys took his case, referred his workers' compensation case to our colleagues who also have great experience in the industry, and worked together on the case. After 2 years, his case was settled with a full payment from the Workers' Compensation Board for his lost wages and medical benefits, even though he had no health insurance and was working off the books. In fact, he was entitled to his money and recovered $130,000 for his expenses. He didn't owe the hospital anything and was paid for the time he missed from work and any wages he would have collected. We then pursued the personal injury aspect and were able to settle that part of the case for $195,000. If he hadn't made that call and had listened to others, he wouldn't have recovered any of this money. If you have any legal questions, pick up the phone and call the experienced attorneys at Liga de Justicia. You won't regret it.